Let's go ahead and add our history to the favorites. Click on that. It'll take a moment or two, and we just added 100 items to our favorites. So let's go look in our favorites. Click that. We should have 101 items. We added the spray texture. Now, what's the best way to use this? You can filter this by department. You can filter by vendor. Typically, I think department is a good way to go. So if you go over here, you can go look at the electrical items. Let's hope that I have some electrical items in there. We do. So those are the items that the demo account stocks from Florida Hardware. This should make it a little easier for replenishment. You can go in and just enter your quantities here, add it to the cart, what you want to replenish, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and add a few of these. We're going to get 5s and 10s of a few different items. Let's go ahead and put that into our cart. Add to cart is on the bottom and the top of your screen. You can also sort by vendor. So if you know that you want a Camco item, you can go down and look at a Camco item. Okay, from here, let's go look at the new items and promotions. So up under catalog, you'll see all promotions, which right now there's only 2 items in there, so there's really no reason to click into it. But normally you're going to find anywhere from 200 to 500 items on promotion. And it'll work somewhat similar to the new items section down here. So let's go look at the new items. Again, it's going to sort by department and by vendor. So you're going to see on new items, obviously, you're going to see some of these no image availables where the item's too new and there is no image in the system. But this, again, can be sorted. If you go back up to the top, you can search by department, or you could search by vendor. All right, from here, let's go over to the Resources button. Here is an MSDS. So if you need an MSDS sheet, click here. It pops up this window, and you can type in a UPC code. In our case, we're just going to paste it in. That's typically what you'll do. If you're in the catalog, you'll copy the UPC and paste it into here. So click Search. There's your MSDS sheet view. It's a Minwax item. And there it is, the MSDS sheet. You're welcome to print it or whatever you need to do from there. Okay, we're going to close that window out. Also under Resources, there's a button for company trucking schedule. So if we've got a holiday coming up and you're shipped by Florida Hardware truck, you can see what's going to happen with your schedule for the holiday. Current promotions and bookings. Let's go ahead and click on that. So here's a Gaucho barbed wire promotion. Let's go ahead and open that. And you'll see, and this actually has been up since September, there's a pallet price on Gaucho barbed wire. I'm not going to show the price in this video. All right, we'll click that X and go back to Resources. Underneath here will be Dealer Market. Click on that. And here's all your Dealer Market promotional books. So let's go ahead and click on the Money Tree Deal book. This will take a moment to download. Here's all the Money Tree deals, and these are, for many of you know, these are the displays that will be coming up for dealers who attend the show, and many of those are half-price displays. I'm not going to go into that. Go ahead and click X on that. But these are all your show books are available here. All right, go back over to Resources, Dropship Programs, and Catalogs. Click on that. Now this is just an assorted group of price sheets and catalogs here. So we're going to go down to Liberty Candy dropship order form. It's just a order form. And all these will take a moment or two to download, and that's just a PDF order form. Click X to close that. And obviously if you scroll down through that, you'll see a number of different items there. This will continue to grow. All right, if you scroll back up to the screen, go to Resources, PDF Catalog. So these are PDF versions of the paper catalog. And I'm not going to click on those. Those are fairly large downloads. But you've wanted to download the electrical department, you would just click on that, and that is basically the paper version of the catalog. Okay, let's go back over to our cart. Here we're ready to check out. There are a few things I want to mention here in the cart. If you have multiple ship-tos for your business, so if you've got multiple stores, there'd be an area down in here that would give you a place to select your primary ship-to, and you can make that default to your login. The order that you send will be automatically uploaded into our system. So make sure that you've got everything the way you want it before you hit checkout. So right now we're going to go ahead and check out. There we've got a first problem where our order is below minimum order value of $350. Do we want to proceed anyway? And for this case, yes, we are going to, because this is going to be a will call order. This gives us a chance to look at our address. So we're going to go ahead and click Next. And billing address, next. And we're going to type in some notes. You can put in a PO number here, but we're going to type into notes, will call. And we'll put in a PO number of ABC123. We're going to click Purchase. And you will receive an email of that order, and your salesman will receive an email of that order, and that order will automatically be uploaded into the system. This is not a very good place to do something where you need special handling on an order. If you need special handling, you should probably call the order in. If you go up and click on the Florida Hardware logo, that will take you to your home page. We hope that you will find the Florida Hardware website to be a useful tool. No doubt you'll find other ways to utilize the website for your business. We will continue to add features that we expect to benefit your business. Thank you very much, and we look forward to you using the new Florida Hardware website.